My Instagram stickers was not working, so I discovered a way on how to get it fixed. This is what I actually did. I'm going to show you that on this video. Looking here on the screen, you can see that mine is currently working. Now this is because there was a step I actually take in order to get mine fixed, which I'm going to be showing you clearly on this video on how to do it so that you can get yours fixed as well. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram GIF and stickers search not loading. So if yours is not yet loading, this is what you simply need to do. First, you need to move out of your Instagram app like this and go to your phone settings. Just go to your phone settings like this. So right here on your phone settings, you need to scroll like this and go ahead and click on apps. Go ahead and click on apps like this and then go ahead and search for Instagram. So when you do that, go ahead and click on the Instagram app like this, then scroll and click on storage. When you do that, you're going to see clear cache. You need to go ahead and clear the app cache. So you need to clear the app cache first. I cleared the app cache first, then went back to the app, but the issue was still there. The sticker and the GIF was not loading. So this is what I did next. I came right here and click on clear data. Now meanwhile, if you clear your data, they are going to ask you to relog into your Instagram account. So you need to be sure that you know your login details so that you can be able to log in easily on your Instagram account. So come right here, click on clear data like this and click on delete. Once you do this, going back to the app and logging into your account, it is actually going to fix that issue immediately. So that was what I actually did in order to fix mine. So if you're still having the same issue, just do this and you're going to get yours fixed. So this is my Instagram app now, and let me simply go back to the home page. This is the home page. So let's say I want to upload the story. Clicking on the story button right here, that is the plus button at the top right corner like this, and selecting the image I want to use and clicking on stickers like this, you're going to see that mine is currently loading. So this is exactly what I did to fix mine. So try the same steps and give me a feedback on the comment section. Meanwhile, don't forget to like this video, subscribe if you're new here, and hit notification bell. It has always been Daniel. See you in the next one.